Okay, so let us work on the right click operation. See, right click, and after right click there may be some different kind of options, then you can perform it. Okay, so this is for a demo point of view. I'm using this website. Okay, so similarly in your real time also, when you are trying to work with the right click operation, so first what you need to do is you need to identify that element, and then on that element again, just you have to use click method, but inside the click method you have to write some options for to perform the right click. Okay, so first what you need to do here, I need to identify this element. I need to identify this element. On this element, you are going to perform this right click operation. Okay, right click, new file, right click dot spec dot js. So first let us import the Playwright package. So const test required. Here use this @Playwright test performing right click operation. A right click action. Async, use page fixture, so open application, so page await page dot go to, and then use this URL. Next, identifying right click button. Okay, so await page dot locator. Okay, so let us do one thing. Just press F12. It is going to open this development tool. Okay, so click on it and then highlight it. Now see, right click me, and then it, which is the tag name is a span. So what we can do is, see, you can write using $X and then you can verify, or you can do one thing. So we have our selector hub is there, right? So we can identify it with that. Okay, so you can take this. Okay, so I'm copying this relay to X path. Okay, so I trying to use this. So let us store it in a variable called button. Okay, right. So now performing right click action. So how to perform right click action? Just use the element. So element is button dot So here also the action is click only. The method is click only. But here, how to use the right click? How to use right click operation? Now see on the button, so you can use left, right, middle, all these things and all inside it. So to specify it, what you need to do is whatever the operation you are trying to perform it, whether it is a left action or right action or middle action. So again, whatever the element you are trying to use it, the same element you have to provide here. Button colon. So within the semicolon, you have to use it. Sorry. So you have to provide within the curly braces. Within the curly braces, just mention. Now see, within the curly braces, and you need to specify the element name again here, colon, and then use this left, middle, right. So right now I'm trying to use right. Okay. Then just wait for a few seconds to see the output. Await page dot wait for timeout. Just use 5 seconds. So here use await statement. Okay. So save it. Then try to execute. So here you have to change the file name. The file name is right click dot spec dot js. Perfect. Okay. So how to perform the right click operation? Just identifying the element on whichever the element you want to do right click operation. First you need to identify the element, and then you have to use the step called element dot click, and inside within the curly braces again you have to use the same element colon. There you need to specify whether it is a right or left or middle. Okay. So this is the statement. You are performing right click operation on that particular element.